Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Volkswagen Caddy, stock reference number 5695. The shape runs from the 12th month 2004 through to the 8th month 2010. It has a BLS 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. BLS 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left guard has 2 small dents, bonnet has no damage, left power door mirror, left front door has a 3-4 inch fold on the front edge, left rear sliding door has no damage, left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, passenger side rear tailgate, 3 small dents, driver's side tailgate, no damage, tidy rear textured type bumper cover, right rear steel rim 15-inch good tyre, right front door has about a 12-inch scrape dent, right power door mirror, right front guard has 1 large dent, and right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, auto console, auto gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.